Hi, Charlene back from Radical Feng Shui with Charlene, and now I want to talk to you about the number 4 area. So we've done 1, 2, 3, which is east. Now we're going to the southeast. This area is called Fortunate Blessings. So there's a lot of juice in this area, and I want to talk about the Feng Shui design first. What I'll say about this is that in Feng Shui, we try not to put bathrooms in this area because we don't want the life force energy going down the sink or the toilet, because it drains the abundance in the area. Now, a cure for that is keeping white out of the bathroom because it's metal and wood is attacked by metal. Change up the color, put maybe a nice green color or something in an earth tone even, that would work, because wood has its way with earth, so it has dominance, but metal will cut, and that's archways. Generally, this is the area where the little blade of grass comes up, and it is the wind area in Feng Shui. So we're wanting good airflow there, and all about the water features I was talking about draining. The one water feature that works in this area is the type of water feature that's decorative, that bubbles up and is recycling the water instead of draining it. So yes, you can plug your tub and put your toilet lid down and all of that stuff. That's very powerful. But putting in wood, you can see it around me this time of the year. If you put a small plant or the symbology of a plant on your toilet, it brings the energy up. So we want to avoid white. We can add greens. We can add blue and greens, because water feeds wood. There's certain colors that balance out this area in the home. Now, we also want to look at what might be stagnant or blocked in that area so that we can clear it out. So those are a few of the Feng Shui things that are important in that area, especially the water feature. I love water features in the southeast, whether it's out in your yard, in your property in the southeast, or whether it's in that area of your home. I have always loved photos and pictures of wonderful trees, and here, this is the wind gua, so the tree energy has that beautiful flow through it when the breeze is happening. Now, early in my career, I read in a very ancient text that wind is very destructive unless it's in the presence of water. So those two together harmonize, and that's what I want you to do, is to look at the space in your home or even in the corner of a room that's the southeast, and see if there's harmony there. See if there's something you can do to, symbolize abundance to you. How can you bring that? And how you can bring the energy of sharing abundance. Like if it's money, that we see it as a big pooling water, life force energy. We work hard for it, coming into this beautiful pool and then spilling over in abundance, and not hoarding it behind us so that we don't have it to share. And this is really important when it comes to our health and well-being and our youthful energy, is knowing that the more we do for ourselves, the more youthful we feel, the more dynamic our approach to life is, and gratitude that we can share so much more. Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui with Charlene. Thank you.